Imagine your PowerPoint deck line in with smooth cinematic layer like this. And guess what? In today's tutorial, we are building a super dynamic step animation from scratch, where blocks labeled A, B, C, and D glide in smoothly and reveal detailed content. Let's start by setting the background. Go to Format Background, select Gradient Fill, and choose a dark color to add that bold, modern vibe. Next, let's add a fun header. Use two large stylish text boxes for the title, make them pop. Insert a rectangle and place it at the top of the slide. Remove the outline to keep it clean. Now, hold Ctrl Shift to duplicate it. Apply a slightly darker tint to each duplicate for a subtle gradient effect and create 4 equal blocks side by side. Insert a text box into each block. Label them A, B, C, and D. Now, duplicate those blocks and move the copies to the right side of the slide. Here we add a short description or title in front of each letter. Let's enhance the visual. Go to Insert, Icon, search for something like Vehicle, match their color to your theme, and place one icon near each block. Group each step, block, letter, text, and icon together. Now, go to Shape Effect, Shadow Preset, and add a subtle right side shadow to give it a depth. Make sure important objects are brought to the front to avoid layering issue during animation. Duplicate your slide. On the second slide, drag all the group steps slightly off screen to the left. Now, move this slide to the first position. And this time, move the text elements a little to the right. Select both new slides. Go to Transition tab and choose Morph. Your blocks now glide in like a pro level animation. And just like that, a clean, stylish step animation made entirely in PowerPoint. Want the editable file? Check out the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more PowerPoint magic, and drop a comment if you would love to see this animation in different theme. See you in the next one. Happy animating!